How to make whole wheat dumpling wrappers.
Hello, my name is Miwako. Thank you so much for visiting my channel where you find healthy plant-based recipes.
This is a part 1 of dumpling series where I show you how to make whole wheat dumpling wrappers. On the upcoming video, I will show you how to make vegan stuffing and how to shape dumplings.
The recipe is in the description box below, so let's get started.
Grind wheat into flour. Otherwise, use whole wheat flour and whole wheat pastry flour. Handful of spinach. Hot water. Blend. Make a well. Half of the blended spinach and water. Pour the remaining liquid. Keep kneading until it becomes a smooth ball. If it's too wet, add some flour. If too dry, add some water. When it becomes smooth ball, place in a container. Then cover with plastic wrap to prevent drying. Let it rest for half an hour. Cut into fourths. Roll and make a ball. Take one and cover the rest in a plastic wrap. Roll to a log shape, then cut it into the sixths. Roll and make a ball again. Cover with plastic wrap. Lightly flour with cornstarch and keep rolling. Once it reaches the desired thickness, start making the edge thinner. This is totally optional, but if you have a cookie cutter, you can trim the uneven edge. Apply some cornstarch to prevent sticking. There we go. Dumpling wrappers are ready. Make sure to cover with plastic wrap until it's ready to use.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try this very healthy recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you very soon. Bye!